In this tutorial, we will see how you can fix the compressed zip folder is invalid error in just a few easy steps. This is a common issue, but don't worry, I'll guide you through 2 effective methods to solve it. The first method involves uninstalling and reinstalling WinRAR. Start by clicking on the search bar and typing run, then open it. In the run window, type appwiz.cpl and press OK. This will open the Programs and Features window. Here, scroll down until you find WinRAR, right-click on it, and select Uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, close the window. Next, we need to refresh Windows Explorer. Right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Look for Windows Explorer in the list, right-click on it, and select End Task. Repeat this step if there are multiple Windows Explorer processes running. Once done, go to the File menu at the top left of Task Manager, select Run New Task, type Explorer, and click OK. Now your Windows Explorer has restarted. After completing these steps, try opening your zip file again. In many cases, this method will resolve the issue. If the first method doesn't work, don't worry. There's a second method that almost always works. For the second method, open Google and search for WinRAR download. Go to the official WinRAR website and download the latest version of the software. Once downloaded, install it on your computer. After installation, go back to your zip file, right-click on it, and select Open with WinRAR. Now, click on Tools in the top menu and select Repair Archive. In the window that appears, choose the second option to treat the corrupt archive as a zip file and click OK. After the repair process is complete, try extracting the files again. You should see that all the files are now extracted successfully. For example, in the zip folder, there were 3 videos, and after following these steps, we were able to extract all of them without any errors. And that's it. By following these methods, you can easily fix the compressed zip folder is invalid error in just a few simple steps. Remember, keeping your WinRAR updated and refreshing Windows Explorer are key to solving this problem efficiently. Happy zip using!